Connect your Stripe account to accept client payments. Hi, this is Jacob Bulmer for Doitbythehour.com, and I'm a freelancer, just like you. You need a secure, reliable way to accept client credit card payments without complicated setup. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn how to integrate your free Stripe account for payment processing. Payments are handled by the most trusted name in the industry and deposited directly into your bank account securely. When you bill your clients for work, they receive an invoice from you with a pay button. Clicking that button brings up an embedded payment form provided by Stripe for them to use. When a payment is made, the money goes directly into the Stripe account associated with your membership. Before that can happen, you need to set up your Stripe account. Note: even if you already do business with Stripe, you must create a Stripe account through your member profile because we can't access any of your other accounts. This will be the only account we can specify to receive payments when a client pays your invoice. To create your Stripe account, go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Maintain Setup section. On the Maintain Setup page, click the Manage Profile button in the Member Profile section. On the Member Profile page, click the Manage Account button. On the Manage Subscription page, click the Set Up Stripe button. On the Enable Payments page, you'll see information about setting up Stripe. After you've read it, click the Begin button. For security, this will send you to Stripe's website and the appropriate form to set up an integrated account with them. Note: you must use the same email address that you use when you log in to our site so that we can keep things in sync. After setup is complete, you'll receive an email from Stripe on any additional steps needed. Follow their instructions and you're good to go. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today at www.doitbythehour.com.